this week you can say mini Fed FOMC meeting. So almost all FOMC member will give their forward guidance. So Jackson Hole speech compared to FOMC speech, it is very small but same powerful as FOMC speech. So they will give their outlook about monetary policy. So they will say everything present, past and future. So before we decide what Fed will say and what market can react, their hawkish or dovish tone, first let's see this bottom October 2022. Then this election day and all the future 2025. Because everyone will be watching Fed sentiment about that Monday market crash. Are they panic or not? BOJ was clear panic. Now we have chance to see Fed sentiment. Second, what they think about post-election world and before election. Because they forecasted 3 cuts, then pivot to 1 cut. There was big change in inflation data. Now we need big change again in NFP and inflation data to change more than one rate cut this year. But before speech, majority of market are expecting 25 basis point. Some are expecting 50 basis point. That is still confusion that happened because of strong job claim and retail sales. So if Fed push against 50 basis point rate cut, that will be considered hawkish sign. That will be wait for QE trade, that means stocks. But long term, especially their Jackson Hole speech this week. Look at this Biden short video, not long like TikTok video. October 2020, when he said economy is strong as hell, don't care about strong dollar. Exactly that month, Nvidia bubble began. No bubble possible in any economy without politician support. And now, last week, same president. Now party is over. That was 2 years before election. To make sure recession turned into economic boom. Biden said, yes, 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 I told you we are going to have a soft landing. It was started here 2 years before election. Now he's saying, he told you. His policy are working. And there was Harvard economic professor that also said same thing. Fiscal policy are dominating monetary policy. That's why recession was there in September 2022 for me, but it was hidden by fiscal policy support. Still, it is not visible in indicators like CPI and PMI number and NFP. NFP officially triggered some rule, creator constantly denying no recession. Almost every day she give an interview and say no recession. And same day, almost everyone giving their economic outlook. President Trump have also said after election, brand new economic boom if he win. Same like Biden what he is saying. Did Biden tell you crystal clear that he is starting economic boom? No. Then why Trump is saying? And even if win election after election, if economic boom is coming, then why it is telling in advance? Law of inverse of politics. He say if he lose election, 1929 style depression. So I was saying previous video, if no fiscal monetary policy support come before election, then chart will be like this, down before and after election. Economic boom come, let's say Trump win, and he does same to same like he's saying after election, then economic boom condition chart will be like this, up before and after election. Or law of inverse, 1920 market crash is different thing, 1920 depression different thing, but deflation what we want. So if they cross the limit of 2008 crisis and go back to 1929 deflation level, then nothing can stop dollar become reserve currency again, at least for next 50 years. That's been fixing their real interest rate problem. So this was your last economic boom started by Biden. Now saying after it end, 1929 style deflation Trump have forecasted again. And since that Black Monday market crash, almost 50% decline from top to low, big hedge fund like Druckenmiller, they were dumping, now confirmed by news. This is your Fed put. Same like author 1. If you see all Fed official statement, they're all monetary policy decision. Even if you use time machine, see same thing in 2050, then this does not come in official record. What Fed foot is happening now. If Fed break the heart of market, give hawkish surprise, then they can take U-turn and correction in this recent bull market is possible. So if dovish Fed coming this week, market already pricing. If hawkish Fed come, that means push against 50 basis point first cut size or number of cut this year, which they forecast 1 and their plan about 2025, then stock can come down this week. Problem will be first FOMC minute PDF, then speech will come on Friday. So basically you have to wait entire week. Then who win, it does not matter as a politics. Immediately after November 2024, they will get fresh new 4-year cycle. They can do whatever they want and they will have complete 4 year for election for next economic boom. So Nvidia daily chart after 50% decline up in big way. Nasdaq also up, just 50% decline. Look like Fed put. So somebody is trying to stop economic collapse just before election. And SP 500 daily chart 9% decline, total U-turn. Pricing is saying like 4.3% that NFP and that Black Monday market crash, nothing happened. Total U-turn. The market was pricing for 75 basis point emergency cut, and if they delay till September and only do 25, then 50 basis point difference in size and timing. How this thing can be bullish? So good chance for counter trend correction. See weekly chart, last two closing, total vertical, total U-turn. Like Black Monday market crash was a glitch in matrix. So same like 1987 market crash, inevitable correction. Market is pricing Fed put. If they do not get good message from Fed, then counter trend correction possible from Black Monday low. And that was your Fed monetary policy part. Second, fiscal policy part. Kamala Harris said about price control. So both policy which make US dollar reserve currency. One is pricing Fed put. The de-dollarization BRICS propaganda foundation started in 1987 by Alan Greenspan. Remaining thing came from Kamala Harris. So that was policy panic and dollar reserve currency collapsing trade. So this started in 1987. If they do not fix their fiscal or monetary policy, keep spending and keep printing, then dollar will stay down. Panic was secret and revealed by 2500 gold price last week. People will not listen anybody when they will see 2500 gold price. In currency, if you see USD JPY weekly chart once again, since that Black Monday up again, static resistance still same 152. If retest you can sell. So first of all, price testing this trend line, counter trend correction, and now people are saying that a big shift in BOJ tone. They cannot do 25 basis point rate hike. They are trapped. So gold bug have found new reason to buy gold. If they do nothing, then Japanese yen currency will collapse. If they do something, then market will collapse. In both way, bullish gold. But that market sentiment about BOJ rate hike, if you remember 2022, all the time from their first 25 basis point hike to their last 75 basis point hike. Same thing was said about Fed. Impossible, Fed cannot do hike because of high debt, but they did more than 5% hike and stay in pause mode for 1 year. Market crash inevitable, recession is inevitable. What will be the trigger? Who knows? It can be BOJ hike or Fed delaying rate cut as long as possible. And if you see GP USD daily chart, this 1.28 resistance area breakout in one candlestick Friday, same like NAP, that vertical reversal in Euro USD. Now they are doing in GP USD. You can see H4 chart, it was going down, making lower low with lower high, but suddenly things changed and it took U-turn. So wait for trend reversal, you can start selling again. For more clarity, if you see dollar index weekly chart, then this area last 2 week intraday tested but did not break out. RSI same level oversold like beginning of 2023. So right now sentiment about dollar are very weak. Social media full of all the bad thing about dollar and all the good thing about gold. You know, evidence are in front of your eyes. When JPY become strong because of BOJ, that was monetary policy support. And when Kamala Harris said about price control, that is a fiscal policy support, so that dollar can become weak and stay weak. But question will be, how long before election? 1 day before election, 1 week before election, or 1 month? But Fed Bullard once said timing can be September. By September it will be too late to effect voter by fiscal or monetary policy. So Fed Jackson Hole speech, their view about election will be extremely important this time. So this area near 102 big static intraday support level. If Fed become dovish on Friday, level can break out. If he took U-turn, give hawkish speech, same like 2022. Only then dollar can stay strong. Another thing I would like to say before Jackson Hole speech, in previous FOMC speech Fed said he neither see stag or inflation. Also said and challenged where it is coming from. Since then, Fed have not used that word. Totally disappeared. But last week, Harvard economic professor challenging again all the people who are forecasting stagflation, they will be wrong. Suddenly, gold explode and bond market is still about Monday low. If stagflation is coming again, because that person is very high profile, publicly denying and challenging every person who are forecasting stagflation. So what Fed said about interest rate in 2025, inflation expectation after their first cut, because 2500 gold said CPI must be 10% in next 3 or 4 years. That is gold based inflation expectation. So those things will be extremely important this week. If you see dollar index inverted chart, that's mean euro dollar weekly chart, your triangle chart pattern, first candle rejection, second candle closing outside the trend line. If Fed become dovish, it can fly, go back to 127 level, or Fed become hawkish, then this can be fake breakout. Now if you see silver weekly chart, your Elliott wave counting WXY, wave Y position 138, full rejection, multiple candlestick, then down. Now compare with gold, 2500 price, clear range breakout in gold, clear all-time high, but silver is still below 31.71 level. So if you buying silver just because gold is up, Then be careful. Gold gets its golden day on Friday, but silver is still below 30 level. So this was our first ABC way counter trend correction. Once correction over, it will make new low. Cost for me trend over at 31.71. Started in 2022. Now if you see daily chart, if you forget gold for few seconds, watch only technical, pure technical and nothing else. Your neckline, your left shoulder, your head and your right shoulder. You know this area, correction top, gold made all time high, is still making all time high, but silver collapsed. So this area near $29 big static horizontal resistance level. Oil you can see is still struggling in triangle sideways chart pattern, still testing but not breaking this lower yellow trend line, and you can see this is fourth attempt. Now if you see GDX weekly chart, price testing, breakout, clear breakout, closing outside the trend line. From this low, if you see WXY wave, this was your ABCDE triangle. Right now we are in wave Y. Currently price showing rejection at 100% projection, $37. 3 times weekly candlestick have shown rejection, but gold 2500 closing price change investing decision. So if this level breakout goes more up, next will be 38% projection near $42, and this is your 2020 high. So first you have static resistance and fifth projection for wave Y. So that area will be big resistance for GDX. So current area $37, next one 42. So if gold fly more about 2500 compared to GDX, you have to see by the time GDX hit $42, what will be the gold price, because right now it is making expanding triangle chart pattern. Now if you see Bitcoin weekly chart, so this week Fed Jackson Hole speech and their FOMC minute PDF. In that PDF, if they say something about QT monetary policy, then Bitcoin can respond. So two big news and good chance say something about QT, so you can expect action in Bitcoin this week. So long story short, if Fed give dovish speech this week, exactly what market wanted, clear answer on 50 basis point first cut size, that's mean to lock and confirm, second cut also 50 and third cut also 50. Then on dovish tone it can make new high. At the same time there is a possibility gold also explode more about 25, because this is Fed put trade and very wait for dollar as a reserve currency. If opposite happen, then everything will do opposite.